War Day number 1001. 1001 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back with the Sudokus in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, November the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. The binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now, let me continue with the 4 stars. The 4-star Sudoku number 9623. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits, just like the previous one. 4-star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one 26. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. 2. What's the mechanic? Pick. Need a 9. Well. Need a 4 here. 6 there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column 3. No, only place level 7. Should be there. Need a 4 here. Need up 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. The only place left for 3 should be there. Let me see. Well. 1. Need a 3 here. Yeah. 6. Need a 6 there. Need a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third, in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6, 7. Okay. Then let me see. 4. Yeah. Think. We need a 5 there. We need a 5. Yeah. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, okay. 5. Okay. Oh, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Okay. Well, let me think. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 2. I need a 9. No, I need a 7. 7. 2, 7, and 4. 4, 4. Come on. Come on. 8. Think, 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 think. We have a pair, the 1 and 8 in this column, the 1 and 8 in that column. So in the column 3, in the middle column, the only two places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 9 here. 7. Okay, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 5. We have 7 and a 5 in this row, so no 7 and 5 in these two boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 9, and I need a 7. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 5. We need a 5 here. Think, 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 think. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. I need a 4, 4, 4, 4. I need a 5, 4, 5, 9, and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 7, 5 in there. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 2. Shoot me there. Ay, 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 2, 2. Ay, 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 ay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here. So I need a 2 there. No 2 here. 2, 2, 2. The 5. Come on, come on. 8. Need an 8 here. 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 2. Need a 8 here. 2, 8. Need a 5 here. Yeah, need a 5 here. 5. 2, 5, 8. And a 3. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 3 here, and I need a 3 here. 3, 3, 3. Yeah, 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 8. Yeah. 285. 55285. Yeah. No 5 here. Need a 5 there. And 1. Need a 1 there. We need a 1 in the last column. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this one. No 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We need a 2 in the last column. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left now in the last column for the numbers. For the number. The 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. Alright, so we have 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left 8, shoot there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, the 4 goes there, 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there, we have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left 8 should be there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. 5 and 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes, and the 7 and 5, we have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot it in. 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Shoot it in. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. So the only place left for 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes in there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 5 in this first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. 2 and 1, overlook this 2. We have already a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And, wait. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 1. So 3 numbers left. 2's missing. 1, 2, 3, 4's missing. 1, 4, and the 9. 1, 4, and the 9. No. We already have 1, 2, 4, and the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, and the 9. 2, 4, and the 9. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 2 should be there. 4 and a 9 are left in this big square. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column. 2, 4, and a 9. We have a 2. We have a 9, so this box will be a 4. 2, 4, and a 9. 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 2 in this second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2, 4, and a 9. We have a 2 here, so this should be the 4 and a 9. 2, 4, and the 9. This should be the 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, and the 9. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2, 4, and the 9. We have a 2, so 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the 4 and the 9, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 15 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku, but not faster than 15. Let me give this a 2 stars again. And I like this one, yes, I really think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle. Binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.